Hi ladies! Hey, Coach Maria, and just wanted to throw out a video to help you get started with your meal prep for the week. So, first off, welcome to the group. I am so excited that you have committed to the next 30 days of clean eating and workouts and to transform your life and put it on a new healthy lifestyle journey. We all have our goals to meet and they are all different, but basically the similarity is that we want to be healthier, we want to eat better because we know that better eating means better health. Better health means no more doctor visits, no more sickness, really, and making your body, giving your body the correct fuel to run at its top speed. Because I have to just say to you, over 4 years ago, when I started drinking the Shakeology, I haven't been sick. And I attribute it to the Shakeology because of it being a superfood, because of its all natural healthiness, and it is one of my easiest meal each day. Okay, so with that said, everyone pretty much got their received their challenge pack. You have your workout, whether it's one program or you did the all access plan, and you got yourself a bag of Shakeology. The 30 days of whichever meal you're going to struggle with the most. My favorite is the chocolate or tropical Shakeology. So you know there's all different flavors to choose from. You all got your shaker cup to make it in, and everyone did get their containers for the portion control, because that's what we're going to work with today, is just kind of laying out how these containers work. And the nutrition guide, if you did the 21-day fix program, or you're doing it now, the nutrition guide is the bomb, because this is like my Bible. I mean, it's tattered, the pages are trying to come out, I have them dog-eared, and I have little sticky notes, but basically what it is it really helps you understand by writing down a meal plan, what you're eating, how you're eating it, when you're eating it, and by focusing on good, clean foods, it really is going to keep you full and help you to either lose weight, maintain your weight, get stronger. I have stronger nails and shinier hair because of it. It all plays a good role in our journey. So I just wanted to share that, like for me, I write down the days of the week, breakfast, lunch, dinner, and 2 snacks, and then I put a what I want next to it, and then I'm sure that when I count out how many containers that I get each day, I know that I'm on track. And I don't know if I posted this, but I'll check in the group that everyone should have this formula to know how many containers you're going to get. And then that will determine your meal plan. So planning is always key, which we all know. Planning takes the longest. Once your planning is done, you are set for the week. Literally, it saves me an hour each day. So what is that? 7 hours for this week, because I put in the time to make a meal plan. And then from here, I made a shopping list. Now, mine probably seems extensive, only because I have stuff for the house also that I needed to get. But basically, that's how easy it was. That's how easy it is to get started. And once you do these, like every few weeks, I kind of just go back to the same ones. That's why I have it in the spiral notebook, because I just reuse a meal plan for, let's say, in 2 or 3 weeks. I'm just going to use the same meal plan, so I really don't have to have time. I make time to do it. So that's another time saver. And if you never thought about doing it, there's an idea. In our nutrition guides, we do have lots of recipes to choose from. There goes my page. In this guide also, plus in the PDF I posted in the group, each container, actually, it gives you a list of foods to use for each container. So you're like, oh, what am I going to use for three green containers, which is your vegetable, for this week, or this day, I should say. Here's a great list. There's another PDF that like I said, I posted in the page in our group, a PDF of a list of foods to choose from. Foods you never would have thought of, but it's there. And it's just here to make it easier for you to be successful. I personally went and invested in this Fixate book. It's a cookbook by Autumn Calabrese, who is the creator of the 21-Day Fix program and Country Heat. And basically, it is a slew of information, of recipes. This book is amazing. And for those of you who got the all access, like I know Karen has the all access and the other Karen, go online, because in your login for all access pass, there is the section for the Fixate TV clips. They're not on TV, actually. It's just a part of its exclusive access with your membership, your annual membership to your all access. And it's called Fixate Cooking. They are probably 6 minutes. Some of them are 10-minute clips. And they just take a recipe, and you could actually watch him make it. Him meaning Bobby, who is Autumn's brother. He's a world-class chef. So he is the star, and Autumn is with him to do these shows. So it's a great access. Just the perks of being part of the All Access member with the membership. The other perk I know is the 3-week yoga retreat. Karen, I know you started that and you absolutely love it. I've done the 3-week retreat. It's given me energy. It's great for something that I do at the end of the day. In the evening, it relaxes my body, and they are anywhere between 30 and 40 minutes long. And it is another perk of having the membership. So with that said, I know I kind of got off task. Meal planning. I did post a PDF. Let's see. Hang on. In the group also, it looks like this. 21-day meal planner. This is like a daily chart that makes it a lot easier to keep track of your foods and your containers. And then what I did was, like when I did another, I did this 21-day fix like a month ago. I just used this for the entire week. And you know what? So what? That I use the same meals for the entire week. It worked. It helped me stay on track, and I was happy and felt calm each day I came home, knowing that I knew what was for supper because I had already kind of pre-planned it. So there's a lot of information being in this group. I hope you take advantage of everything we have here. I have written down what everyone's goals are that they're looking to crush in the next 30 days. And there are a couple of you that I've given you till this afternoon to give me those goals. So I'm here to help you succeed. I am here, and the other coaches in this group are here to help you stay on track with your workouts, with your meal plan, with your eating, with your struggles, with your aha moments, and use us. Use us because your success is what we're here for. We are here to help you. So with that said, the group is also, I'm encouraging everyone needs to be posting in this group daily. Okay, we're going to have themes each week, and when you post in the group, it shows me that you're being accountable to not only you, but you're being accountable to the group, because as much as we're giving to you, I mean, you have to give back to us. I mean, it really is a two-way street, really. We need the support and motivation just as much as you do. So I hope that was helpful to you, and I look forward to your comments and your questions and your concerns. Tomorrow's day one. I would love it if everyone just posted a small video clip on showing your face, letting us hear your voice, and saying, hey, my name is blah, blah, blah. I am from where? I am committing to 30 days of clean eating with, and then what program you're doing and what time of the day you're doing it. Because that's also another part of accountability, is letting us know so we can help you to stay on track. Because if you're not posting, then I really think that you're not doing your workout, and then why did you invest in your health to begin with? So, hey, have a great day, and I'll see you in the group.